Where them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know so they attacking boss there. New link from New Link Production. And I may say attack them New Link. Attack them New Link. Attack. So my viewers and my subscribers. Zane. So for the look at Chester down now, St. James Montego Bay now people. Zane, the Chester. We have seen so much things, people. Every day we hear of different things. Different things go on in this whole thing, people. But you see right about now, my viewers and subscribers, me I gonna say attack them New Link. Attack. People, you see this a Chester, yeah? You see this a Chester, yeah? Me I tell us you want to look at dirty thing and nastiness, man. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Some people, me say I look at something is going to send to the attacking boss, my people. Only thing them writing up and send the video to me while I look at clip paper is New Link, look at this, my people. Me people, when me look, me have to say, oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Black, delete, move. Me never block the person, people. But I have to delete that thing. I could even watch it. Because first of all, people, me see one building inside. You understand? Inside, it look similar to that something they done there. So with them, look color back something the people will look like rainbow. You know that look something the building what them have done the people, them look on. You understand me, people? So when me see that thing they know, people, then me see some people turn up. You understand? Head wrap up, no shirt, no pants, no under. Me have to say Jaja see, Jaja knows. Then who me see people? Boy, me see somebody resemble the Chester, my viewers and subscribers. Resemble the Chester. Look like him, people. Then when me look, who me see with the Chester? Oh my, no the people them look up, boy. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So when you hear the bag of things are going, and you hear the bag of things attack, and you hear say this and that, people, everything will come to light, me people. But honestly, me people, me could continue watch that. If them want to do nothing, me now go there and watch and see them do nothing. But from me see the look up on naked, and from me see the Chester naked, and from me see them that's the people. Oh my, black and delete, black. You understand, people? My viewers and my subscribers. I'm telling you, them thing is a disgrace to our country called Jamaica. It's one of the worst things I ever say happening in my country, my people. Eh? What a disgrace. And for them, the people, who decides to them now go cut, who decides to for them king, who decides to for them God and them leader and them now change and them now switch. A straight attack for Uno. A beer attack for Uno. No joke, no leniency, no play with the attack for Uno. Zane, after some of Uno people, I see I come forward now. And I talk about Uno did it for 5 years on the left. Uno did it for 3 years on the left. Uno did it there. Uno did it one would not go on with you. That means Uno did mix up in the same thing them. You understand? Uno did in the same type of things them with them. So you see right about now, all of Uno get the attack. You could have did cut, you could have, because you used to deal with it. If you in this thing now, Zane, for 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and you cut. Of course you was a part of it. Of course you was a part and not just a small part. You was a big part of it. Zane, so a straight attack for you all of Uno. Eh? And for the Chester, me I tell you, say, you know, for see back sunlight, me talk already, you know. No sunlight back for you. So for all of them, the one that who go talk about what destruction go happen to police who comes up and go there and who do this and who do that. Listen what me I say, man. You think so for nothing gonna deal stronger than the Almighty. Attack for Uno. Eh? Uno think uno powers, uno uno wake. See? Because Jah will say, no, the Almighty work with who I work with. Eh? The what? Satan. Oh, uno stay there with it. My people, when me see the type of thing with them did that go on with done this, man, a one heap of something viewers and subscribers. Imagine, police, you know, big old police them, all a motorcade because then we get 5 grand, one look 7 grand in a them pocket people. You understand? Figure motorcade, limousine, like say the king. You know see how them did that live down the people? You know see how the whole man to go be eyes blind to it. The people them blind. Because when them see the limousine people, and them say police are lead it. Deep inside them go there think of Andrew. Not true. Them go there think of some big time people are come through. But who night people? Now Satan. Satan himself. At the Charleston night himself, my people. Walking up and down. You understand? And the people them just blind to it. But one thing I tell the people. The Almighty not like ugly. And everything in the dark shall come to light, people. And see there, it's only a matter of time. See the people, everything are coming in the eyes of us, my people. Me say when me say the thing, the people, when I'm looking at the building, as me I tell the people, the same the color, pretty colors, them because they love them pretty color, they know people. And it they represent my viewers and subscribers. And when I see the look color sitting them, my people, see, and me say you see some people because them have video them thing, you know, so that's why I know say no people. All of them look activities where them go down, look thing where them go with people, and something where them normally have video and them thing them my people, and something where they love do, them love make video. See, so when you see the look of video and now people and something now people, when they see the camera when them comes boom and the police they rear the building and you see the camera, that for sure you say yo, them know what them a do. And something what them do, them bid them people and keep them and maybe they watch them back and maybe them have some site where people pay for watch them because you can see one money thing there in a people. Zane, it look like a feed them type of blue, what they call it blue movie that in a people. A feed them type of blue, something that you understand, and I saw them do it. Oh my bird, oh my, I say all the people them look, oh boy. The people them look, oh boy. Them not give that chance, silly. Mix up now them that's there. So imagine now people, how much people pick the ton destruction and consumption and jump sumption and rum sumption down there. So, how much of them? Because of what? This sin thing and this piece of chastire. And when I see some people are going to come forward and about them, I defend it. But one thing me have to say now, and me have to big up my viewers and my subscribers, them anywhere on there, big up on yourself. Because if you check the vlogs them have done on this story, people, I have covered so much topics on it, people, so much. You understand? And check how much views and so big up on yourself, people. And check the reaction and the comments, how much people been supporting the rights of Jamaican people and I attack them. Check how much people, and if only a few. So out of 1,000, you're going to find maybe 100, maybe 10 without the panic side. Which was the Jamaican people and the people across the world are pretty positive way and I support them and them destruction and them consumption and them ramsumption. Me don't know what could have flying at them people. That's them believe. Say yo, if you got trouble look up picking and then sitting there. That's a part of what? What kind of what wanna get that from? If you go in a sermon about the naked and I did this and I do that and I start a cow, start a goat and them something there. Wanna make people chicken and convince, you know. And that's why I know this, my people. See a lot of people life lost. Not say them be dead in a them building the people, but then when they are dead and they will drive and yes, this and that happen to them people. And them one people are do it to them. You understand? Because when you mix them something your people, you believe in a gain. You understand? It's like selling out a soul to gain the world and taking out and destroying other people's life. And this is what they did, people. This is what they done. So for all of uno, all me are telling you who mix up in them, I hear the notes them, me hear what the people who talk this and what talk that and what said this, you understand? But one thing me can't tell you, say, the Almighty not like ugly. Me say, the Almighty not like ugly. And what's in the dark shall come to light. Everything I go come up. And me now stop blast attack them. And my viewers and subscribers don't stop attack them. Attack them, new link, attack them, don't stop. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more blessings, and more respect. And just stay safe and just do the right thing. Attack them, new link. What a piece of tape. Me say people, from they come my way, me get rid of it. So anybody I ask me for it, honestly, I don't have it to share because me get rid of it. Me no want to keep it. Me no want it in a boundary. You understand? Me no want it in a Google Drive. Me no want it in a cloud. iCloud. Me no want it stored in nothing. Me just want it move away because me no want them the consumption and dissumption and ramsumption and fan pumps and whatever conversion coming on my thing. Attack them, new link. Peace, love, respect, be good, be great and be safe out there. Big up.